Hello everyone. First, I will show it to you, which is people are using in the Clickbank thing, and they are making so much money from it. Okay, so let's go on the Google USA. I'll show it to you. Here, I will go on the google.com. This working properly from USA searching, and right now I am typing is Mitolyn Reviews. Okay, and English is not my native language, so sorry for that. Okay, Mitolyn Review, and when you type this or any from the US person type this thing, they are going this kind of review pages, and this is the thing here he is seeing. Many times they are seeing a video from the AWS. I will show it to you that. So they are trying to it, they are getting this kind of video. You are seeing this is the S3 Amazon AWS, and another S3 Amazon AWS, all the videos from this. Okay, you can see mostly videos are ranking on this, and people are making so much money from it, and they are doing this kind of uh, postings. And for newbies and for old affiliate marketers, they don't know how this method is working, and only few people is know that. Okay, and they are making so much money from it. So first I will introduce this method. First I will give you my info about it. I am owner of moneybot.xyz. This is my website. I am selling different kind of posted method for last 5 years on my website, and this method is called AWS Parasite SEO method. You can come and check it out. I am selling this method here. This is my post. Okay, and when you click on the buy now button, I will show it to you, and you click on the buy now button, you will redirect the Gumroad page. Okay, you can buy this method at $150. Okay, right now you are seeing high price, you are seeing this in the INR. Okay, it's I'm using VPN, so it is showing it to you. It's showing it in this video in the Indian national rupees. Okay, if you going open in your from your country, it will show in that currencies. Okay, so the price is $150 only. Okay, when you go in the market, people are charging single video post $50. If you want to post your product or your affiliate thing, they are charging $50 or $40 for single post, and I will provide this method at $150 on the Gumroad. For newbie and anyone who want a discounted price, you will get at $100 this method. You just need to pay me by airtm.com or USDT or any crypto. Okay, this is my mail ID. First mail me about you want this method, and I will help you on that. The price is $100 if you want to pay by AirTM and USDT. If you want to pay by Gumroad, you can pay me $850. Now, if you are an old affiliate marketer and you are already earning $1,000 to $3,000 to $5,000 monthly, I will give you the best opportunity right now. I am selling all my courses in the bundle offer. Okay, and here I will show it to you. This is my Gumroad Money Master page. Here you can come and check it out, moneymaster.gumroad.com. And here I am selling all my courses, all the databases you can see. Here I am selling it, all my courses, YouTube, who is database, GSI website contact database, Vogue clipping, YouTube, music, SEOs, and multiple things. You will get it at only $500, and this is only for old affiliates who are earning from money right now, and also the people who know how to use it properly. Okay, if you want to buy from the Gumroad, price is $5,000. If you want to pay, but I am selling, I'm just saying to you, just pay $500 and you will get all my courses. Okay, the payment mode are same, AirTM and USDT. You can pay me on AirTM and USDT. You will get all my courses USDT, and you will get my all courses at $500. Okay, and this is for only old affiliates marketers, those who are earning right now. This is not for newbie thing. Okay, this is not for newbie need to a new person who come in this market, just buy the AWS Parasite method from me and work on it and earn money from the Clickbank first, then think about this. Okay, and you can come and check it out, and this is the best opportunity right now. You will get all my courses method Only three things you will not get it: the domain parasiteseo.net, one-on-one coaching, and AdSense passive income. You can come and check it out. Here you will find out. Okay, all the other things you will get it $500. Okay, just mail me, and the payment mode is AirTM and USDT. Okay, I hope you understand it. If you have any kind of questions, you can mail me as well. info@moneybot.xyz. Okay, as you see right now, Mitolyn, people are searching and they are ranking right now. So it's on you, right? If you want to make money from the Clickbank, buy this AWS Parasite SEO method. Okay, thank you again.